In this video, I'm going to tell you how to find the best fixed rate mortgage deal. Now, if you find this video useful in any way, please hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel so you can get more videos like this in the future. So just to reiterate, a fixed rate mortgage is one where your monthly repayments are guaranteed to remain the same for a specified period of time, let's say 2 years, and your mortgage rate is fixed during that time. That means if the Bank of England raises bank base rate, then your mortgage payments won't change all the time you're in that fixed rate period. Now, unlike a variable rate mortgage, your interest rates would go up and down, largely in line with what goes on with the Bank of England base rate. If it tracks it, it's called a tracker. Now, there are different types of fixed rate mortgages. You can get a 2-year, 5-year, 10-year. You can even get a 15 or 40-year fixed rate mortgage. Now, generally speaking, you pay a bit of a premium for having a fixed rate mortgage over and above what you'd get on a variable rate mortgage. And that's because obviously you're paying a premium for having your mortgage rate fixed. So banks have to price in the fact that the base rate and rate generally will start to go up in the future. Now, to find the best rate, it isn't just about using price comparison sites. In fact, most consumers wrongly think that the price comparison sites are the best prices out there. And when you look to remortgage, it's the only way to find the best fixed rate deal. Now, generally speaking, they're good for starting to do your research, but bear in mind, many mortgage deals aren't available on the price comparison website. You can only get them if you go and speak to a mortgage advisor. Now, not everyone can get the rates quoted on price comparison sites, which is a bit of an issue. Now, price comparison sites don't take into account your credit rating or your personal circumstances either, and they ultimately determine whether a lender will actually lend to you. So, for example, you may not be eligible for the deals quoted by the comparison site that you're using, and you won't find out until after they've performed a credit check on you when you go and apply to the lender. That in itself may hinder future mortgage applications, and there also may be better options available to you. For example, fixing your mortgage might not be the best thing for you to do. There are other products out there. For example, you might be interested in a capped mortgage. Now, a mortgage advisor can tell you which are the best deals for you and give you advice on that. Now, many people might just go to their bank or their existing lender to take out a mortgage. Now, that can be attractive in certain circumstances, particularly if you've already got a mortgage with somebody, because it can mean that you avoid much of the affordability checks, and it's particularly useful for people whose earnings have dropped. But generally speaking, it's not the best way to get the best fixed rate mortgages out there. What you need to do is shop around, and if you get a whole of market mortgage advisor to help you, they will even look at the mortgage deals your existing lender offers in conjunction with what else is out there. And if you're better off just remortgaging, for example, with your existing lender, then they should tell you. Now, the question is, do you have a mortgage advisor that you can trust? If you don't, then there is a link in the notes of this video with an explanation of how you can go about finding a mortgage advisor you can trust. And also, you can get online mortgage advisors as well that can help advise you on the whole of the market, and we put a link to a review of one service in particular. Now, if you found that useful in any way, please make sure you hit that like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.